beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Genesis. If you're new to my channel, then welcome to the beauty family. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, then welcome back, girl. Today's video is an exciting one. As you can tell by the title, it is a Wish wig haul. I am super excited for this video. So if you want to keep on watching to see how they look and if they're worth it, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, you guys, I am super excited for this video, honestly. I'm ready to try these wigs on. I got some colorful ones and I got just like some blonde ones. I have not yet opened the packages. I only got, I believe, 4 of them, and then I also got some like little bags to put the wigs in. We'll just start off with this wig here. As you guys can see, it is orange. And it comes with a bag, so that is great. I love shopping at Wish. A lot of people say like it's a scam or like it's dangerous to shop on there. But honestly, I've been shopping on the Wish app for a while now and nothing has ever happened to me, thank the Lord. So I guess, like I always tell you guys, try it at your own risk. So I decided to get this one in like a short length. And also I decided to get it orange, something different. So this is what the first wig looks like. She is actually pretty. She is not bad. It's like a short length. So let's try this on. In my whole lifetime, I've actually bought 2 wigs. And they were pretty expensive. And honestly, I've never worn them before. But I want to try it out. Because you know why I don't wear them? Because I feel like people are going to know that it's fake. And so I'm like scared that people are going to call me out on it. But I mean, who cares, right? Just wear a hat and honestly just rock it. Like, who cares? But honestly, I'm not like an expert at wigs, so I don't really know how to put them on as well. I know like some people be like combing like their edges. So I'm gonna go ahead and try her on. This is what the part looks like. And it comes with these 2 tied up so it won't like fall off and whatnot. But okay, let's try her on. How would I do this? Do I like... I'm telling you guys, I'm not like the greatest at putting on wigs. Oh my god. Honestly, I think it would look good if I knew how to like blend it in and whatnot. But since I don't know how to blend it in, like I think it would look cute if I were to cut like bangs with it. Kind of part it this way. I do like that even makes it look a little bit more natural on the natural side. What do you guys think about this? I honestly don't think it's bad at all. I like the length of it because I believe like kind of short hair is, there's a little bit of stranglers, but I mean, what do you expect? But I think the length is pretty. This is like really in right now. Like this length is like really in style right now. But honestly, I don't think it's that bad. Okay, overall, I want to give this wig, I would say like a 7 or like an 8. 7.5 or 8 because I honestly think it looks really good. It doesn't look like that thin. It looks pretty full. I just wish I knew how to blend this in. But I think just like this would look good. Kind of cut them a little bit shorter so it can look like bangs, and I think it'll be good. What do you guys think about this? Let me know down below which wig is your favorite, alright? So this is the first wig here. These are the wig bags. These were $1 each. So I get to just kind of put your wigs in here. You know what I mean? Let's go ahead and open the next one. I'm pretty excited because honestly I was impressed with the first one. Oh, this one's the blonde one. I've been wanting to go like blonde for a while or like with highlights. This one comes with a weaving cap. I'm trying to take in my braids in there. Okay. Okay, so let's open this one up. As you guys can see, she is long. And she is pretty. It's kind of like an ombre effect. Honestly, I think these are pretty good quality, not gonna lie. I was expecting like really cheap stuff. Oh, and this one even comes with clips to clip on your head so they won't fall off. OMG. I think this one looks definitely a little bit more like fake. But I've heard like if you put if you were to put like baby powder, supposedly it makes them look less synthetic. I'm not sure how real that is. What do you guys think? She is long. You guys can see the back. I'll show you guys. She honestly looks pretty good. I'm just gonna part everything to the side because I feel like that looks a little bit more natural. Let me part stuff to the side. I can honestly, I'm probably gonna have one of my friends customize the wig so they look more natural, or like have her show me how to make them look natural, because girl, this parting does not help. I don't know, I feel like if I had like baby hairs, then it would kind of help. But I don't know, what do you guys think? I'm honestly not mad at it. I just kind of wish I knew how to blend them in. I think if I were to cut bangs too, I think they would look so pretty as well. This one is really long and straight. So let me take the net off for her. And I love how they come packaged. They come in a bag and they come with a net on them, you guys. This one is long. I like this one. This one I feel like is definitely thinner at the top than the other ones. But let's go ahead and see what is popping. And she is here. Oh, hi. This one is definitely crazy. This one I'm not feeling. I wonder if I were to put them to like the side of how I like them. Oh, I guess that kind of works. I'll probably like this side better. I think I like it better to the side like this. Yeah. I think I can do that to all the wigs actually. Kind of just pull them to the side. So I can have that part. And just kind of pull them to the side. What do you guys think about this one? I'm kind of liking it now that I put it to the side. Okay. So I'll show you guys the back of this one so you guys can see it. Let me know what you guys think. So here's what this one looks like, you guys. It's pretty straight, pretty soft actually. But yeah, what do you guys think about this one? I'm kind of feeling now that I put it to like the side. And last but not least, you guys, we have this one here. And this one is a fun blue one. They all come in a little mesh bag, which is awesome. And I decided to get another short one because I thought it would be fun. Something different to try out. Ow. Hold on, you guys. Okay. Yes, honey. Okay, this one is definitely crazy. This one is not, let's see, I don't know, what do you guys think? I'm trying to put it to the side now that I know that to the side they look kind of better. Okay, this one doesn't look bad. I think if I were to have like my edges out and kind of like combed out, I think that would be fine. What do you guys think? She cute or whatever. This one's cute. I like this one. How do you guys feel about her? I actually like this. Okay, you guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below. Comment which one was your favorite wig. 1, 2, 3, or 4. My favorite wig, honestly, it's hard to choose. I really enjoyed the short ones. I think they're fun, and obviously because they're colorful, they're definitely out of my comfort zone. So I definitely like the 2 short ones. But I don't know, I can't pick overall. I'm not sure which one my favorite one is, honestly. Maybe it's this one. I kind of like this one. I like how this one looks. It's either this one or the orange one. I think this one is my favorite one, honestly. I think this one is my favorite one for me personally. But let me know down below which one you liked. 1, 2, 3, or 4. And let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys would like to see more Wish hauls. I know the first Wish haul I ever did was like, I believe it was like free items that I got off Wish. And I got a lot of views on that video. So let me know if this is something that you guys like to see. If you guys would like me to turn this like into a series, like a once a month thing, kind of do like a Wish video, let me know down below so I know what to film for you guys and I can film stuff that you actually want to see. But yeah, that was pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a like. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and I'll go ahead and be back with more videos. Bye guys. I will see you next time. Subscribe.